Good morning. Just wanted to do a quick video on this 2016 Lamborghini Aventador. Just wanted to do a quick walk around here. Show you exactly what she looks like. Now this is all custom built on a GM chassis. LS1 Corvette engine, 4L60E transmission. So basically, you're driving a Corvette that looks like the Lamborghini. Okay? Realistically, put 150,000 miles on this car without any major tune-ups or repairs. On the blinker, turn on the other blinker, so sequential blinkers. We didn't drop it all the way down to the ground, so you're not going to have problems with speed bumps and tall driveways, things like that. Could you lower it all the way down? Sure you could, but then you're going to have issues with clearance. We like a car that's just completely drivable. All custom upholstery inside. Feel free to take a look at some of the pictures. Custom center console with rear view and front view camera. Digital and analog gauges. Custom exhaust. Rev it up and it just sounds mean. If you haven't figured it out yet, I put that plate on every one of my new Lambos until they go to their new owner. Just wanted to do a quick walk around, lean back just to kind of show you that interior, and it is just nice, all done in the diamond tuck. Beautiful, beautiful car. Go ahead and turn on the halos for me, and then turn on the headlights, and then turn on the blinker. And there's also fog lights underneath. Turn on the high beams. There you go. And then turn on the other fog lights. There you go. And there's another set of fog lights. This has ground effects lighting. Just beautiful, beautiful car. Go ahead and raise the deck lid. So here's the full replica package, replica engine package on this. And of course we have a 200 shot of nitrous in it, just to make it a little funner. Full replica engine, everything ready to go. Your battery is inside the trunk, and there's also a battery kill switch and a charging in case you ever have a dead battery. There's so many cool factors. So while I'm here, let me show you a couple other cool factors that we did. But in the vents, if you look up close, there's still radiators in each one of the vents. That's one of the cool factors. Engraving in the gas lid, radiators inside all of the grill holes, Brembo caliper covers, grills inside there. Even in here, there's grills inside there, radiators inside there. So, just a cool factor. It's all about looking cool, having fun. Thanks for watching the video.